The latest episode of Skeem Saam got fans of the show so emotional and differing on opinions, so let us chat about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like it, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. I want to assume that everyone who's watching this video is a Skeem Saam fan. So, as a Skeem Saam fan, you should know by now that there's this case of Toby and Ntswaki that have been going on the show. And some of you guys have probably read reports that Skeem Saam has lost 150,000 views between July and August. So this created debate among fans, and some fans were blaming the show for dragging its storylines. Some fans were complaining about Kwesi's character and the storyline of Mr. Komo and Melita. And some are pointing out saying that the decline was caused by changing off the slot to 7:30. And I need to say this, I agree with this one. Pela Commission is tough there by 7:30, but then it could all be wrong. The decline could be caused by something way too different from what we're thinking. So while fans were sharing their frustrations about the show decided to hit us with a killer episode on Wednesday, the 16th of October. And on the episode, Toby is sentenced to 15 years for forcing himself on Ntswaki. Fans were so impressed by this episode, and I think that from writing down to acting, we can all agree that this was the best episode of Skeem Saam this year. And I think I need to put it out there that I'm not really a Skeem Saam fan. I mean, the storylines there don't really entertain me, worse when it comes to sensitive topics like this one. So what gave me goosebumps about the episode was the acting. I know that one can argue that acting is not one's ability to cry, but guys, let's give these actors their credit. I mean, the fact that they made all those emotional scenes so real means that they really did execute. I know that most people are now getting tired of Ntswaki always crying, but come on guys, let us agree that her emotions on this episode were different and that she killed this episode. One more person that made this whole episode was Evelyn. I think we can all agree that Vera killed this role. I mean, from her first appearance on this show, she brought her A game. And I remember this one scene when she went to confront the Maputas about Toby getting arrested. I was so impressed. She made matters worse with this episode. And I think even social media would agree with me that she carried this whole episode, because all I could see when I was scrolling down my social media after watching this episode was this picture of her with only compliments. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is all that I wanted to share with you on this video. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.